Welcome guys! Today I will show you how to create a maze puzzle book for free and earn up to thousands of dollars each month on Amazon. If you are new to my channel, my goal is to teach you how to make money from Amazon KDP. We will go over everything you need to know from zero to sale. If you are interested in these types of videos, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to receive a notification as soon as I publish new videos of this series. In the last two videos, I showed you how profitable coloring books are. But as a part of your KDP road, you should always try to have at least a book in each niche. The next best niche in Amazon KDP is puzzle book. It's forever green and you have a good chance to sell with this kind of book. Let's see how much you can earn by maze activity book on Amazon. As always, let's see what are the best books on the first page of Amazon in this niche. We need to look for the lowest bestseller rank on the first page. As you can see, we have a couple of maze with the wonderful bestseller rank here. That shows two things. First, if you can create a good maze with a bit of chance, you can guarantee a part of your passive income. Also, it shows that the competition is high. This book has the lowest rank on the first page. As you can see, the maze activity book bestseller rank is 679, which shows how popular this book is. This book price is $6.99 with more than 1000 reviews, and this book is online since the end of 2019. Now that we have the bestseller rank, let's open the TCK website to see how many orders this book has every month. Just enter the bestseller rank here and press the calculate button. As you can see, this book is selling around 2,879 each month, which is almost 100 books per day. Just remember, this is an estimate and based on my experience, the actual number is usually more than this. The next step in calculate a book profit is the number of pages. Let's see how many pages have this book. As you can see, it has 83 pages. Just open profit calculator. You can find the link to this calculator in the description. Enter 83 in the number of pages and $6.99 as a book price. As you can see, this author is earning $2.05 per sale as a profit, which is great profit margin for a low content book. Now that we know the profit and number of sales, we just need to multiply them to find the estimate income of this author. As you can see, this author is earning almost $6,000 per month just by this book. Now that you saw how profitable are maze puzzle books, let's see how easy you can create one of these books. Before using any website as a source of your maze puzzle book, make sure that they allow commercial use. For example, if you search for maze generator in Google, the first result is always mazegenerator.net. Let me show you how easy you can create a maze with this website. Just select the shape and then a style and press generate. As you can see, it will allow you to download the puzzle and solution. Just select the size and click download. It will download a PDF file that you can use it just for personal use, but not for commercial use like Amazon KDP. As you can see, it has a commercial use link here and it says you need to pay around $6 for each puzzle for commercial use. So as I said before, make sure you are using a completely free source, no string attached, otherwise you will put your store in danger. And always try to check the license with the website. Most of the maze generators that you find on the internet, they won't allow you to use them for commercial use. So make sure to double check the license with the website's owner. After a long research, I found a generator that based on its MIT license, we should be allowed to use it for Amazon KDP. Make sure to check the license with the website owner before using it in your book. As you can see here, it has an MIT license, which is great in our case. Just click on the demo page. We have a couple of options here that we can customize. You can play with the options, but the only setting I find useful is the columns and rows. So let's set the number of columns and rows to 40 to make the maze a bit harder and press generate. It will give you two options, the actual puzzle and the solution. So you can download the puzzle and the solution that you just generate. So just click on download maze. As you can see, we now have a page of our maze puzzle book. Open the Google slide and set the page size to 8.5 by 11 and add the image to your book. You just need to repeat this process to generate enough maze puzzle to fill your book. As you can see, this tool has also MIT license. Make sure to double check the license with this developer too. So let's see what kind of maze this tool can generate for us. You can play with the options here too, but I think as a topology, the second option is good for us. Also, let's set the size to 20 by 20. Now that you set the options, you can press go to see how cool it will generate the maze. But if you don't want to see the process, you can just press be done. Now as it says, just hold the shift key and right click on your maze and save it as an image. The rest would be same and you can add it to your Google slide page like this. That's it, you can complete your maze puzzle book in less than an hour. As I said, just make sure to check the license again with the programmers. The only issue I think these tools have is that they are so plain. As you can see, some of our competitors are creating mazes in all sorts of shapes. The other option you have for creating maze puzzle book is using Creative Fabrica. You can find the link to this website down in the description. Let's see what we can find on this website. Just search for maze in the search bar. As you can see, we have thousands of results that you can use for your Amazon KDP book. This website is not free, but you can find enough resource here that will help you to create quality KDP books. You definitely can generate similar mazes yourself, but if you don't know that much about the graphic software or you just want to create a book fast, Creative Fabrica is a good choice for you. You can download the full book interior from this website. That's it. As I show you, most of the maze books have less than 100 pages and you can create the simple mazes with the first and second website easily in less than an hour or using the Creative Fabrica to just download different type of maze easily. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful for you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to receive a notification as soon as I publish new videos of this series. So if you have any question, post it there. I will try to answer all of your questions. See you guys in the next video.